Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a new Garageband project and add a single audio track. Choose the correct input so Garageband hears your mic. You do this now because capturing clean input prevents wasted takes. Once the track exists, enable monitoring so you can hear yourself, and set the audio buffer to a low latency setting to avoid delay. Also pick 44, 1 or 48 kHz to match delivery. Make sure input gain is safe but strong, not clipping. Now dial in performance technique and levels so recordings are usable. Place a pop filter about 6 to 12 inches from the mic to reduce plosives. Position yourself consistently. Adjust the interface gain so peaks land around -6 to -3 dB, because headroom prevents clipping while keeping signal strong. When you record, use punch recording and create multiple takes or take lanes for comping. This lets you assemble the best phrases later without losing energy. Finish by cleaning and polishing the vocal so it sits in the mix. First, trim and comp your best takes, add short fades to remove clicks, and align timing when necessary. Then apply corrective EQ to remove muddiness, a gentle compressor to control dynamics, and a de-esser for sibilance. Automate volume for consistent presence. Once balanced, bounce to a stereo file, choose WAV or AIF and 16-bit or 24-bit as required. If you hear latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.